Hi, and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. Today I'm working with spinach. I've been doing a lot of work in my garden lately, but I have not been doing a lot of harvesting, and as you can see, my spinach is quite large, but that doesn't mean that it can't be used. I harvested an entire colander of these very large leaves, allowing all of the smaller leaves to stay on the plants. I also grabbed a handful of walking onions. As you can tell from the title, we are making a crustless quiche today. The first thing I'm going to do is chop up all of these onions. Now that I'm finished with the onions, I'm going to take the stems off of all of the spinach. There is my pot of spinach. I'm going to put it on the stove with some butter and heat it until it's well wilted. When I make these little quiches, I really like to use these individual little dishes because I like us to be able to mix and match, add things. I will generally have an array of cooked meat out available, and each child can say, do they want chicken to put in theirs, or hamburger to put in theirs, or some other cooked meat that is ready to go in here. And sometimes we use different vegetables or cheeses, so everybody gets to mix and match and do whatever they want. Today I'm just going to do a basic spinach and onion and cheese quiche. These little dishes are already nice and buttered inside. I'm going to put a little bit of the spinach and then cheese, and then I'll put the egg and milk mixture. In with the cheese, and now for the eggs and milk. Next, I just pop my little dishes in a casserole dish. That way I can transport them all together and they go into the oven. Here are my finished quiche. When they were finished baking, I did put them under the broiler on low for about 5 minutes just to brown up the top a little bit. We're serving it with toast and butter, and there you have it, spinach and walking onion quiche. I hope you have a blessed day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.